A very happy new year to each of my students. This last year, 2020, was been impactful for all of us. But I want to let you in on a little secret that I had done at the beginning of 2020 last year. I had taken a decision to impact at least 1,000 lives within the year. And because I had made a plan and set a goal, today I can proudly say I was able to touch 1,000 odd students in 96 different countries all around the world. And that was possible only because I had taken time in the beginning of the year to make myself a goal and a plan. Taking a little while to plan would make a really huge difference in the way you progress. It's very easy to get distracted by so many different tasks. Knowing the difference between what is a priority that needs to be done and what is an admin task that's only taking up your time. While many of us do take the time to write our goals, if you would like to have a systematic goal planning sheet, as my New Year's gift to each of you, please find the link below where you could download the planner absolutely free. I'm giving this away to all my students for free because I want you to take time to set goals and achieve them by the end of the year. So the planner is available on Amazon, but if you click the link below, you would get the planner absolutely free. Both the links are down below, and I hope that this year would be fruitful and productive to each of you. Take some time off in the beginning of the year to set your own personal and professional goals. May each of you be blessed, stay safe and protected throughout the year, and I wish you great learnings and great growth. Once again, a very happy and prosperous new year from my family to yours.